Hey Leela, have you heard about the lazy beggar?
Lazy beggar. Oh yes, I know about him. What do you want to know?
Well, why do they call him lazy?
It's because he never likes to work. He just sits there all day and asks for things.
Really? But why doesn't he want to work?
I think he finds it easier to ask for things instead of working hard. He likes to relax a lot.
That doesn't sound very good. Why doesn't he want to do something useful?
I guess he just got used to getting things without doing much. Maybe he never learned the joy of working hard.
But is not it important to work hard and earn things?
Yes, John. Working hard makes us appreciate what we have. The lazy beggar misses out on that.
What does he ask for when he begs?
Oh, he asks for food, money, and sometimes even toys. Anything he can get without working.
That doesn't seem fair. Other people work hard for what they have.
You're right, John. It's always better to work for what we want. That way, we feel proud of ourselves.
So, do people give him things?
Some people do, thinking they are helping. But it's not the best way to help. It's better to teach him how to work and earn for himself.
Yeah, helping someone learn is important. What do his friends think about him?
Well, some feel sorry for him, and others wish he would try to do something on his own. But I heard that one day, something changed.
Really? What happened?
One day, a wise old man in the town decided to talk to the lazy beggar. He told him about the joy of working hard and earning your keep.
Did the lazy beggar listen?
At first, he didn't want to hear it. But the wise old man was patient. He shared stories of people who started with nothing and became successful through hard work.
Did it work? Did the lazy beggar change?
Eventually, yes. The lazy beggar started to understand the value of hard work. He decided to give it a try and started doing small jobs around town.
That's great. So, he wasn't lazy anymore?
Nope, he wasn't. He learned that working hard not only brings you things, but also a sense of accomplishment and happiness.
I'm glad he changed. Everyone should learn the joy of working hard.
Absolutely, John. And remember, it's okay to ask for help, but it's better to try and do things on our own too.
Thanks, Leela. I'm going to make sure I work hard and appreciate what I have.
That's the spirit, John.
The story teaches us that it's good to work hard and do things on our own. The lazy beggar, who didn't like working, realized that when he started doing small jobs, he felt happy and proud. So, the main idea is that working hard makes us happy and brings a sense of accomplishment. Don't forget to check out Cartoon Kidstv for more fun stories. If you enjoyed this tale, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share with your friends. Thanks for joining us. Goodbye!